guys, welcome back to the B Jones Style channel. I'm so excited because I'm at a Goodwill and again, I'm not alone. I'm joined by returning guests. Molly! And Lola.
Guys, I brought my dog because why not?
Why not? Molly and I are returning to the scene of the crime.
Yeah. This is where we first met.
Our first, it was
in the parking lot.
I feel like we've known each other forever.
I know, I do too.
We hadn't. We met up by filming. You guys actually wanted Molly to start a YouTube channel because she's so great and so funny.
I have a YouTube channel. It's been dormant. It had been dormant. Now it's been updated, but not with fashion stuff.
I know, but I think why is because you're so fun to hang out with, and that's why people wanted you to start a YouTube channel, and so they can hang out with you. We are here for a very exciting reason. I'm gonna turn the camera on Molly and she's gonna explain what it is, and you guys are gonna be very excited about it. Tell us what we're doing today.
My favorite way of thrifting is to see a piece and look at it after I've changed it. There are a lot of times I'll find something that I love, but could just be a little bit better. So today, I am wearing every single piece of clothing except for my shoes and socks and except for my bra and underwear.
Oh, good.
I have altered every single piece. So these pants were longer and I just cut them. Obviously, I didn't work real hard at that. I just took a pair of scissors and went chop, 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 chop. This long sleeve shirt, another was like down to here. It's big. Chopped it. These are two different pieces.
How genius is this layering, you guys?
I'm the layer queen. This was a duster, and I had it cut, and I do have a seamstress put pockets on. It's a good idea to find somebody somebody cheap who can put pockets on for you. I know it's pretty simple, but it's not that simple. This is a reversible jacket I got at Buffalo Exchange. I had them put on
a green pocket. How cute is that?
And a corduroy pocket. Even my beanie used to have a big old bobble at the top. Took that off. I also chopped my hair. I saw my hair and I was like, that could be better.
That's what we're gonna do today, guys. We are going to thrift today with the idea of chopping it. The easiest DIY there ever has been.
So easy.
She converted me because the last time we thrift, she kept talking about how she was going to cut things. And I know some of you get a little upset that I do this, but you know what? It's the creative process. I've started chopping things too.
It's a really great way to update a piece in your wardrobe. So if you're kind of tired of something, like a dress, chop it and make it into a shirt.
Or chop it. I had this amazing yellow plaid jacket that I was not wearing. The reason why, it was the length for some reason always threw me off. I chopped it. I love it now. When I chopped it, it made me remove the belt that went with the jacket, which now is my favorite belt, and I will put a picture of it right here. We're gonna go in the thrift store and look for pieces that we can chop. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready to chop some things?
Yeah.
All right, Molly, take us places.
I have always found things that I like oversized shirts to chop. So this shirt was a big shirt. Let's do men's shirt first.
Like, oh, look at this old Guess shirt. It has the old tag on the front there.
I found this turtleneck. I love cropping turtlenecks. This one says Aspen on it, and it's turquoise. You cut that really short and put in, tuck it in the high waist, or not even tuck it in. See, the only problem that I've had with chopping is that I'm too quick about it, and I'm not patient with chopping. And so what I'll do is I'll put a shirt on the ground and I'll just go, and it'll be uneven. But then I get the back of the shirt, if you can see it, it's a little bit higher because I haven't planned it out. So the front is a little bit lower, the back is a little bit higher. But then I just kind of tuck that in to deal with that. Speaking of chop, I'm wearing magnetic lashes. And I chopped those too because they were just a little too big.
I already found something that's been chopped. Well, actually not.
What?
Chopped in the factory. But you guys, this is like a cropped, but the best part about it is it has shoulder pads.
What?
So the shoulders are gonna be really rounded and like exaggerated.
Full 90s right there.
I'm loving it.
Hi, this is shopping at the thrift store.
You're a thrifty person too?
Yeah, she likes a good deal.
One of the things I always talk about is like that feminine blouse, the ladylike blouse. They can always find at thrift stores.
Really? You can always find a thrift store?
I feel that way.
I've been super drawn to these blouses since I shaved my head.
I just hit the jackpot. This one.
Oh, except for...
Oh, there's stains. Okay.
Do something with
this one
that.
I'm very excited about. Look at the sleeves. like the contrast collar and
That's awesome.
sleeve, very cute. And then this like 70s little white
Oh, and it's
dainty. I love when a tag is like something of California. That's so 70s. It's always like Mrs. B's of California.
I don't really like it when clothes are really polished. So if something looks really nice, I want to mess it up a little bit.
Ooh, I like
I
that.
find that.
Maybe that's a peek into the inside soul of Molly.
Oh yeah. If things are too perfect, I'm not a fan.
I know, I like that. I always talk about that, even like hair and all of it. I want everything a little undone.
Yes.
Like to
I
me,
like
that
the whole-
makes it more interesting.
Yes, exactly.
If it's too done, even like an outfit, if
Yeah.
it's like head to toe something, it's too done.
Yeah.
It's not as interesting.
No, I totally agree.
A little undone. So imperfectness is
Holes
perfect.
are not bad.
No, stains.
Like
all
that's
of
what
it.
I was saying about this. That's what brought it up for me. is
Actually, that's such a great thermal.
this is a great thermal, and there's just a little hole right here.
Yeah.
But I like it.
I think put it in the cart because I like it too.
Okay, I just found a color block sweatshirt. It's a thinner material, which I don't love in sweatshirts, but it would be really cool, and look, it would go with my pants. Lola, what do you think? She's just along for the ride. She's like, whatever, what's all these smells? I don't care. I love it. What? I'm just with you, Mom. That's all I care about. That's all she cares about. We can be stranded on a boat in the middle of the ocean, out of water, on our last day of survival, and all she would want to be is with me. It's the best. You guys' dogs are the best.
The green obsession for me continues.
Ooh, cute. Speaking of green,
Close by at all times.
Beth just found this dress. Super cute. Feminine. Large, but there's a tie. We'll try it on. See what happens. We need an update. Lola, how are things? You doing good? You okay? Seriously, in the middle of an ocean. We could be. It's crazy.
I just found this in the kids section. It was hiding.
Check the kids section.
This little sweater, it's not a kid's, but it has puff sleeves. It's blue with little pink flecks in it. Very springish, I feel like perfect for spring.
Okay.
It's not gonna be winter for very much longer.
But it's cold
just
right
so
now.
Cute. It's like a whole landscape on your sweater.
I found this in the tank top section. It's actually a dress, but it can also be a tank top. So I'm going to maybe chop it. Just found this in the tank tops. This is a lavender mock turtleneck. This would be so cute cropped. It's kind of a little bit longer. I would crop it and wear it with high-waisted jeans.
We are now starting the sorting process. We've got all the things. Now it's all about going through all of this stuff, deciding what's worth trying on, what's a yes for sure, what's a no. Found these men's Wrangler. They're a little more low-waisted, but I'm really into just men's pants lately. And they're just so worn in and perfect. I love them. My green silky pants, high waist. These are gonna be fun to style. Trying on over clothes, so a little awkward, but I love this shirt. I love the contrast collar and cuffs and the pink and the puff sleeves. Here's the guest shirt. Molly is suggesting that I chop it. I agree. I love the little guest tag. I think I'm gonna pass on this sweater. I love it, but this is an awkward length for me. I don't love the fit right here. As you can tell, I'm buying things that I will not be chopping. And Molly is thinking all about chopping.
Yeah, this is too staticky.
Yeah.
I love it. I would totally chop this right here,
Yeah.
but it's too staticky.
We both have things to chop. I love this floral top, shoulder pads. It's almost too long. Chop it.
This is here, but I would bring it up.
Chop it.
Chop it.
Molly hit the jackpot with some high waist pants. We
These
love them.
pants I love. This is a dress, but I will chop it. It'll be like up here.
And this whole outfit right there. Love it. DIY project. Here's my chopping. I'm gonna get this shirt. This already has holes in it. I'm gonna chop this. Then maybe even put some more holes to give it kind of a cool tattered look. Maybe make a raw hem with like a piece hanging.
Should I not be doing this in the background?
Cutest dress award goes to
I
this
mean,
number.
I look like a grown-up baby doll. Like if you were to go to Toys R Us and buy a baby doll.
Ooh,
As a
look at
grown-up,
that.
would this be your choice?
Maybe.
I can't get my head. I can't get my head through. I literally cannot.
Oh
It's
my
like
gosh, that's
I'm
awful.
a baby coming out. Oh, at least I'm not breech. No way.
Okay, no. We are back in my house. We are DIYing it.
Chopping it.
This is not a fancy DIY channel. This is just two girls
Yep.
who went to a thrift store and decided to cut some things.
Yes.
And that's what we're doing. So you guys can do this too.
Right before we walked out, I found this shirt which is similar to what I'm wearing today,
Yes.
and I'm gonna cut it. So here, maybe I'm gonna put it right underneath this guy. Dun, 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 dun.
We're just doing
Put
this
it down
right now, right here.
on a flat surface.
This is so my style. I don't overthink things. I just
Don't
go for
overthink
it, which
it.
sometimes I make the wrong decision.
Be a real mistake.
But you know what? If you spend $7 on it, it's okay.
Yeah,
That's
it's
kind of
okay.
the creative process of it.
Make it as flat as you like, and here we go.
Ow.
Snips. I'm just
Oh my gosh,
eyeballing
she's
this.
just doing it, guys. She's just cutting.
I'm just cutting.
She did it. She cut
Did
it.
it.
It's
Here we go.
gone. I'm really excited to do this shirt, actually. So I'm going to cut that white shirt, and I'm just eyeballing.
What are you doing?
See how I'm filming?
I cut it.
I love it. I think what I'm going to do is even cut some edge holes in it so that when it washes, it stretches out and gives a little bit of a loose look. And these already had holes in it in the arms. So I think I'm going to put a few more kind of raw, like even here on the neckline, just to make it a little cooler. Okay, for this kind of cut, what I'm going to do is take the edge of the scissor. I'm going to lay it down on the shirt and kind of just dig into the shirt a little bit. So it's making like a raw hem. So just kind of dragging, tearing it, shredding it. I'm using cardboard so that I'm not cutting into anything. And like I'm gonna try to make one like actual hole. So there's a little bit of a hole there, you see? There's mine. Shred it up. It'll look even better when it's been in the wash.
Yes.
Because it'll just shred even more.
I kind of did like a crescent moon sort of cut.
Ooh.
So it's longer in the back and then a little bit higher in the front.
Gonna do the pink Guess shirt. I'm just gonna guess. I think I'll cut this.
Little dress next. Here I cropped that dress and now it's just like
Perfect.
a flowy summer crop top, and this will
Shred.
definitely shred.
Which I think is cool.
And it'll look cool.
Sometimes I actually just keep doing it more. All right, I'm gonna cut the Guess shirt. I'm gonna guess where to cut it now. Go, just doing it.
I'm a full supporter of this.
Here we go over the button. Rah, rah, rah. All right, let's see what it looks like. I love it. And I like, roll the sleeves up. I always immediately throw these things in the wash. Usually because I like them better after they've gotten a little tattered and torn. We are done. We're done. It was so much fun. Thanks for joining me, Molly,
Thanks
again.
for having me. I love this.
Yes.
You guys just keep asking that I gotta come back.
Yes, she's great. And Molly has a YouTube channel.
I do have a YouTube channel.
Yes. So
It's Malls222. I post I'm a musician, so I post sing-along videos every Friday and sometimes video updates, and I'm working on an album right now and trying to raise money for that. So if you go to mollyjenson.com,
I'll put the links down below. Yeah.
pre-order my album.
Yay!
Yeah, there's the link.
Yeah, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have not, subscribe to my email, The Weekly Scoop. It came out last week. It's coming out this week. There's so much good stuff in there, you guys. Want to sign off?
Well, yeah, hold on. Somebody needs to
Oh
say
my
goodbye.
God. Lola.
She was napping, so this side of her face is a little smushed.
Oh, Lola. Thanks for joining us, Lola.
Yeah.
Do you want to say, always play dress up? Bye.